fans from all over the world. You're welcome to another exciting trackside adventure here on our channel. Hi, I'm Stephanie with Starbright Productions, and today we arrived at the Sebring Amtrak station just as the P098 Silver Meteor was rolling to a stop. Only a few passengers got off the train and a few more boarded the train as the crew got ready to release the brakes and highball to New York City, your final destination. Let's go and watch what happens, guys.
Morning. Morning.
What? 857.7 to the 8. Gotcha. Good sleepers, 98. When do you give me Bill? Yeah, like 10 or 15 for this, the Amtrak rule ahead of schedule. Full clear. Let's pass. Pretty facilitation clear. Step and block. Equipment defect detector. Milepost 865.4. No defects. No defects. Total axle 5.2. Train length 1070. Speed 5.1. End of transmission.
Thank you for watching this exciting video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like, comment, and of course subscribe. See you next time on another exciting trackside adventure. Goodbye.